do individual. We're gonna see who's the best dabber, okay? This is not.
Oh, you scared by yourself? Oh. All right. We're gonna do it all together, and then we're gonna see who's the best. All right, that's what we're gonna do. All right. So Kofi, you got a little something suitable? You got something suitable for them? Something that they can dab to? Something they can cough to? All right. Something that they need a Robitussin for? They can put out the Robitussin? Hey. Okay. Come on. Hey, get him. Coordination and everything. This is what. Make some noise. You guys want to dab some more? Or you guys want some more? You're good? Make some noise for the dabbers.